15 Ways to Make Money with AI. Welcome to our channel, where we uncover the secrets to financial success in the digital age. Stick around, because this video is going to change your life. So let's begin. Number 15. Use AI for web design. Imagine having a website that's not just visually appealing but also highly effective at converting visitors into customers. AI web design is here to make it a reality. With tools like ZipWP, you can make a website in 60 seconds. You can charge people $100 to $500 for these websites. Number 14. AI social media management. Running a business? Managing your social media can be a pain, but AI content creation and social media tools make it very easy. You can use ChatGPT to write social media posts and Midjourney for images. And there is Okoya and Adzuma to automate post creation, scheduling, inboxes, and analytics. It's like having a team of experts working for you around the clock. You can start a social media marketing agency and make anywhere $5K, $20K a month. Number 13. AI-powered affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing just got smarter with AI. Find the best products to promote from ClickBank and Amazon, and AI will create compelling content and automate posting to reach more visitors. You can use social media AI tools to post tons of updates daily, or use AI writers and create an affiliate website. That's all you need to up your affiliate marketing game. You can make $100 to $1,000 daily with AI affiliate marketing. Number 12. Start AI Cash Cow channel. Gone are the days of recording video, spending hours on editing and voiceover. Now AI can do everything for you. You can use tools like ChatGPT to create a script with a single prompt. Then paste the script into tools like Pictory AI to get the video created for you in under minutes. Cash Cow channels can make you anywhere $1,000 to $10,000 a month within a year. Number 11. Offer AI plus human translation and AMP transcription services. If you go to Upwork, you will find tons of translation and transcription job posts. AI transcription tools like Otter.io transcript long videos in a minute with 99% accuracy. You can do these jobs with the help of AI tools. Number 10. Create music and background tracks with AI. Are you a music enthusiast? AI music generators like AIDA and Nubert can help you create unique tracks in seconds. Whether it's for videos, games, or other media, AI puts the power of music composition in your hands. Number 9. Social media video editing with AI. Creating captivating social media videos has never been easier. AI video editing tools like FlexClip analyze your script and select the best parts and footage, and add effects and transitions in a fraction of the time. It's a game changer for businesses and influencers alike. Why not make money by AI video editing? Number 8. Configure and deploy AI chatbots. AI chatbots are revolutionizing customer service. They handle inquiries 24/7, provide instant responses, and free up time for your team to focus on more complex tasks. Learn to set up AI chatbots for businesses and watch your income soar. Number 7. Professionally edit photos with AI. If you're a photographer or graphic designer, AI photo enhancers like Topaz Photo AI and Photoshop Generative Fill can save you time and improve your productivity. Edit more photos in less time without compromising quality. Number 6. Sales ops optimization with AI. Sales operations can be time-consuming, but AI sales tools like Gong and Seamless.ai can automate tasks, manage leads, analyze performance data, and provide insights. Help businesses improve their sales strategies and boost their revenue. Number 5. Freelance as a digital marketer with AI. Digital marketing involves a lot of complexity, but AI tools can automate many tasks, from creating marketing campaigns to analyzing results. If you're a digital marketer, these tools can help you deliver better results in less time, attracting more clients along the way. Number 4. Indie product development with AI. Do you have an amazing product idea? AI code assistants like Copilot can significantly speed up the development process. They provide real-time code suggestions, automate repetitive tasks, and help debug your code. Launch your product faster, and who knows, you might just become the next success story. Number 3. Create and sell AI-generated artwork. Traditional art can take weeks to create, but AI art generators can produce unique pieces in minutes. Combine AI art with a print-on-demand service or platforms like Etsy to turn your creativity into profits. Just remember to respect intellectual property. Number 2, write blogs or copyright with AI writers. Content is king in the digital age, and AI content writers like Jasper AI and WriteSonic can help you create engaging blog posts, social media updates, and more. Businesses are always on the lookout for fresh, compelling content. Improve your skills, use AI smartly, and you can start making money writing quickly. Finally, we've reached the top of the mountain. Number 1, use auto-blogging to make money. Chart increasing blogging can make you a lot of money. But creating 100 articles, images, and publishing is a daunting task. But no more with AI. AI tools like auto-blogging can create and post hundreds of articles with images within a few minutes. And the best part is they rank and make money. People are making $3,000 to $10,000 with these tools. Which one of these strategies caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more game-changing insights.